Hi everyone. If you're a subscriber to Max Productions TV, welcome back. And if you're not, please consider subscribing now. Well, we're on another adventure, and this is an interesting one. Amy and I, right? Amy, and then Max is down here, and he's kind of down in the creek there.
In the back of the boat.
He's got his life coat jacket on.
Our first attempt.
She's stuck in the front of the bow up there. This is a little boat, a little small for some bigger people. So big people in a small boat. Anyway, you can kind of see the that island right there behind Amy, right behind her head. That is where our destination is. And this used to be a town that's now underwater for the most part, because when they put the dam in, they filled up the valley, with water, and they evacuated the town of Alder, Washington. And so now we're trying to get to that little island which used to be a hill, and on top of the hill they had the old Alder Schoolhouse. So there's still a foundation and some remnants there. So we're trying to paddle a little boat over to that little island, and when we get there, we'll catch back up with you. This thing's more for one person paddling, sitting in the middle, but with all of us in here, it's taking two of us to paddle on each side. All right, let's go this way now.
He would know how to do
Go
this
ahead.
boat.
Go ahead.
What am I doing now? This way?
Now, yeah.
I don't know how I got roped into this. My arm's gonna fall off.
We're trying to lose some weight. This is one way to definitely do it.
My left arm's gonna be all up.
Yeah.
Just got Maxie. He loved it. Did you hear him?
Did he get
got
wet?
a mouthful of water. Yeah,
Did
he loved
he?
it.
Paddle, paddle, stroke, stroke. Bring back your Viking heritage.
What?
Your Viking heritage.
Yeah.
Scottish. Irish. You could paddle a wee bit faster.
Trying to get to my camera.
You can paddle a wee bit faster. We're going sideways.
Trying.
Who taught Amy how to drive?
Mm-hmm.
Who taught Amy how to drive a boat? Pretty grassy in here. Let's see if we can get in the shade right there. Hey, we made it onto the island, guys. So now we're just going to we're on the wrong side where the stuff is, and so we're gonna take Max and float him in the boat around the edge here. We'll go all the way around and then go out to where the old foundation is. Like this.
Like this. And are you facing your way or my way?
I'm gonna face backwards.
Like this? So should I face? Which way should I face?
Backwards too, I believe, but I don't know. Whatever you want to do. Yeah, let's both face the same way, so
okay.
That way if we do decide to turn around, we can.
Okay, ready?
Yep. There you go. Oh, 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 oh,
Did you have your GoPro going?
I did. It's going. I wonder if it caught it.
It's not pointing towards me.
Yeah,
Oh, I got the stands
it's a pretty wide
open.
angle. Oh, I like her shirt.
Are you trying to tell me I need wide angle? You're in trouble, mister. But I saved my phone. It was up above water. Okay, this pontoon is losing all its air. I'm not sitting on it. We're going to end up flatter. I'm sitting in there.
Okay, I'm telling you.
So in the doghouse.
I didn't do nothing.
Look at this. This has no air. You bought us a boat that's gonna, like, we're never gonna make it back home. I'm so mad. If I get stuck on this island and have to call the Coast Guard, I should just walk. Okay, here I go. I'm on it. Okay.
Oh, shit.
Just bounced right off of it. See, look at how much air is going out of it.
It's not that bad.
Okay, let's go. All I can smell is Chinese food. Ready?
Yeah. I think.
Well, I broke the ice going in the water. I did it.
You did.
I'm ready to go swimming.
Amy had our first splashdown today.
Elon Musk.
Hey, grab your paddle. You're gonna need it.
Okay. What's that? Ew, some kind of bug is on me.
I don't know. Grab your paddle.
Okay.
Yeah. I think this is much better.
Okay.
6 months later.
We made it, everybody. Woohoo!
We stuck our flagpole in the ground. We just don't have a flag. There, guys, we're coming around the other side of the island, and we can start to see the old schoolhouse right now. See the concrete structures there? That's the foundation of the school. All right, so we got a little bit further paddle over here, get on the beach, and we'll go up and check it out. Thanks for coming along, guys. Come on, buddy. Ashore. Land ho.
Does this sometimes get covered all the way by water?
Hey, here's the land, and here's the hoe.
That's funny.
Just kidding. Come on, Max.
Wait, this is the schoolhouse, and that looks like that's the front door over there. The entrance.
Shut the front door.
It does, doesn't it?
I think so. I believe that's the front of the building, but I'm not sure. But need to get some pictures of both sides and stuff so that I can
But look at this.
compare. So I can compare the old.
Is that pavement?
That's a rock. I can compare the old building with the new.
But that's got to be the road, or the asphalt, or what is that? Is that the bottom of the school?
Your guess is as good as
Looks
mine.
like it's the foundation of the school, huh? Like this is pavement, isn't it? Look.
Up, up. There you go, buddy. Over here.
Whole pavement right there?
Over here. Yes. Whole concrete.
So that's
Come
what's
on.
all over here, is the old road, I think.
I think it was the little spot right in front. Yeah, I believe. I'm not sure the orientation of this place, but we have an old picture you'll see where I'll be putting that up, and then we'll try to compare what it looks like now. So we have landed on Schoolhouse Island, which this used to be a hill that just, you know, stuck up a little bit, just a small hill. And right under here, under the water, is where most of the town of Alder was. And if you can see, there's another island over there, right there, right between, there's a little gap. I can't see my phone very well, but there's a little gap that goes between the island and the land right over here. And that is where the highway goes up, right there. The old highway that went right through the town. And the highway went along here and right by, just below this hill here. And we'll walk over here and I'll show you where the highway goes up again on this side. So this was a valley in here, and they filled it in with water when they built the dam. So the highway came up right over here, and you can kind of see. I'll try to get a shot of it when we get back in the boat and head back towards back over towards our car off the island. So from here, as we come up, here's the foundation once again, or here's the foundation. And you can see there's bits and pieces of concrete. Who's that big guy? That's a big shadow. There's I believe this was either the back or the front of the school, I'm not sure. And so I'll try to, I got some pictures, and you'll see the old picture of the schoolhouse with the kids here in front of it. I think the original schoolhouse was early 1900, and then I believe it burnt down, and they built a new schoolhouse, I believe around 1914, or I'll have to check double check my dates. They built a newer schoolhouse and then another schoolhouse when the lake was flooded, and we'll show you that schoolhouse which they built up on drier land over by where now the current highway exists. So here's Amy and Max over there taking a break in the shade, and we'll come out here. You can see all the old, this was probably the floor or the basement of the school, and this was the foundation around the sides. I'm sure the school faced the southerly direction, the front of the schoolhouse, because the town, I am getting tore up in these briars. The town would have been right here on the other side there where the lake is. So I'm pretty sure that's where the schoolhouse faced. So this would be the back side of the schoolhouse. I really want to thank you guys for coming along. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. It helps the algorithms and help us be shared to more viewers around on YouTube. So thanks for coming along on this really cool adventure. Schoolhouse Island of the old Alder Schoolhouse Foundation. Take care, guys.